सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाकर ऑल पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हमारी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके।
नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9 की मैथ्स, जिसकी एनसीईआरटी बुक से हम चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम हम इस वीडियो में इसका बेसिक पार्ट कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो सबसे पहला हमारा टॉपिक है रेशनल नंबर। व्हाट इज रेशनल नंबर? Rational number are those numbers which can be written in the form of p upon q and the value of q is not equal to 0. Means if we write 0 upon 4, it is a rational number. If we write 5 upon 7, it is also a rational number. But we write 5 upon 0 is not a rational number because the value of q is not equal to 0. This is our condition, but here the value of q is equal to 0, so it is not a rational number. Now, what is irrational numbers? The irrational numbers cannot be written in the form of p upon q, and there is also a condition which is q is not equal to 0. That is, irrational number cannot be written in the form of p upon q in this form. Okay, and the value of q is not equal to 0 also here. Now we have some notes. What is first note? The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. It means the decimal expression or decimal expansion is terminating, means approx its value goes to 0, or non-terminating recurring means either it is not 0 and recurring means repeating itself. And second point is decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring means non-terminating means not equal to 0 and non-recurring means not repeated. Here we have some important formulas and rules. If some number is in the form of a into b, which has under root, then we can write under root a into under root b. If the number is written in the form of under root a upon b, then we can write it as a under root a upon under root b. If the number which is given to us is under root a plus under root b and under root a minus under root b, then the solution we get is a minus b. How it is possible? This is a plus b and a minus b, the identity, which gives us a square minus b square. Here a is under root a whole square minus b. What is b? Under root b whole square. Square cut the under root, so we get a minus b. A plus under root b, a minus under root b, then we get a square minus b. Here also the formula of a square minus b square is applied. So a square minus under root b square. Here we get a square minus square cut the under root, so we get b. Under root a plus under root b whole square. Then we applied here a formula which is known as a plus b whole square. A square means under root a ka square is equal to a, under root b square is equal to b. Then 2 a, the value of a is under root a and b is under root b, so we can write it as 2 under root ab. Now this is an important condition. Let a is greater than 0 be a real number and p and q are rational number. Then a power p into a power q is equal to a की power p plus q. A की power p into q is equal to a की power pq. A raised to power p upon a raised to power q is equal to a raised to power p minus q. How it is possible? There is a multiplied and here is divide. It is upon condition, so the value of a की power q goes up, then it can be written in negative form. So a की power p minus q is written. A की power p into b. Here the base is separate, so different. So we can write it as a into b whole power p, because here is the power is same. So we can write it in the form a raised to power minus 1. So if the power is negative, then we can write in the form of 1 upon a. Here the a upon b whole power n. So we can separate these powers, a की power n and b raised to power n. A upon b raised to power minus n. So we can write it as a to the power minus n and b to the power minus n. And if the power is negative, we can opposite it and we get positive value. Here b की power n upon a की power n, and we also write it as b upon a whole power n. If the value of power is 0, means a to the power 0 is always equal to 1. That's all for today. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel. If you have any query, then WhatsApp us. The number is in the description. If you want more queries which can be solved by us, then WhatsApp your query on the WhatsApp. Thank you.